Model: 63-plate Fiat Fiorino BIPPER NEMO 16-valve Multijet SA small automatic factory-fitted crew cab van grin. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 102,954. Engine: 1248 cc 199 B1000, E5, C. Transmission: front-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Automatic gearbox is perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in great condition for its age. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.